Want a website in 2 minutes? Let's build one with Hostinger AI. Fast, modern, and effortless. Open Hostinger and click the AI website option from your dashboard. Choose your goal, shop, portfolio, or blog, then press Next to continue. Type your brand name and a one-line description of what you do. Pick a style. I'm choosing a clean, scribble-inspired design and color palette. Hit Generate and watch Hostinger AI assemble pages, layouts, and placeholder images instantly. Quick edits, swap images, tweak headlines, adjust fonts, and rearrange sections. Use built-in SEO tips and mobile preview to verify everything looks great on phones. One-click domain connect or grab a free Hostinger subdomain in seconds. When ready, click Publish. Your site goes live in seconds, and email confirmations send automatically. Pro tip: enable automatic backups, analytics, and performance optimizations to track growth. Ready to launch? Try Hostinger AI now. Build, customize, and publish your site in 2 minutes. Start free today.